Hello students, today we will learn the complete basics of non-verbal reasoning in a quick and smart way. In this topic, questions are based on figures, shapes, patterns, rotations, mirror images, paper folding, cubes, and counting figures. So let us understand all important concepts one by one. Non-verbal reasoning tests your ability to understand visual patterns and relationships without using language. You have to observe figures carefully and identify the hidden rule. Questions may involve rotation, movement, shading, size change, or symmetry. The key skill here is observation. There are many types of non-verbal reasoning questions. Figure series asks what comes next in a pattern. Figure analogy checks transformation rules. Classification asks you to find the odd one out. Mirror and water images test reflections. Paper folding and cube problems test visual imagination. Whenever you solve a reasoning question, always check these 8 visual elements. Observe the shape, size, number of objects, position, and rotation. Also check shading, direction, and inner symbols. Most students make mistakes because they ignore one small change. In figure series, figures follow a fixed pattern. Sometimes the figure rotates by 90 degrees. Sometimes one new element is added in every step. In some questions, shading changes from left to right or the size increases gradually. Your job is to identify the repeating rule. Figure analogy means relation between figures. If figure A changes into figure B using a rule, then apply the same rule to figure C to find the answer. For example, if a circle becomes a square, then the same type of transformation must happen in the next figure also. Mirror image means left-right flip. If an arrow points towards the right side, then in the mirror image it points towards the left side. Remember one important rule: top and bottom do not change in mirror images. Water image is completely different from mirror image. Here, the figure flips vertically. Top becomes bottom and bottom becomes top. But left and right sides remain unchanged. Students often confuse mirror image and water image questions in exams. In embedded figure questions, a simple shape is hidden inside a complex figure. You must locate the exact same shape without changing its angle or structure. A useful trick is to first identify the longest line or corner of the simple figure. Paper folding questions are based on folding a paper and punching holes. When the paper unfolds, holes appear symmetrically. One fold creates 2 layers. 2 folds create 4 layers. Always unfold mentally one step at a time. In counting figure questions, you must count all possible triangles, squares, or rectangles carefully. Never count randomly. Use the labeling method and count small figures first, then larger combinations. This method reduces mistakes in exams. Dice and cube questions test your 3-dimensional thinking. Remember that opposite faces can never appear together in the same view. In cube painting questions, corner cubes have 3 painted faces, edge cubes have 2 painted faces, and center cubes may have 1 or 0 painted faces. Many students lose marks due to small mistakes. Always check rotation direction carefully. Do not confuse clockwise and anti-clockwise movement. Observe all visual elements before choosing the answer. And never guess in counting figure questions. So students, today we covered all major topics of non-verbal reasoning, including figure series, analogy, mirror image, paper folding, embedded figures, counting figures, and cube problems. The secret of success is regular practice and careful observation. The more questions you solve, the faster your brain will recognize patterns. Keep practicing consistently. Jai Hind!